Hello, welcome to the second half of this video. We're going to read a book first and then we'll get to our counting activity. So this book is called Up, Down, Around by Catherine Ayers and illustrated by Nadine Bernard Westcott. This book is perfect because it's about a garden, and this is about the time when everyone starts planting all those yummy things that are going to pop out later on in the summer. In the dirt we'll dig a row, drop some seeds and watch them grow. Dirt piles up, seeds go down, water splashes around and around. Corn grows up, carrots grow down. Cucumbers climb around and around. Peppers grow up, potatoes grow down. Another good thing, so these are opposites. So up and down are opposites. Pumpkins vine around and around. Broccoli grows up, beets grow down. Green beans wind around and around. Okra grows up, onions grow down. Tomatoes twine around and around. Fresh and tasty, get a bunch. Pick some, pull some. Let's have lunch. So I was lucky enough when I was growing up that my parents had a humongous garden, lots of vegetables, so it almost was nice going out and planting them and weeding, and then we ended up with so many vegetables, which was just delicious. It's just a really fun way of growing up, instead of going always to the grocery store and buying vegetables. So to have a vegetable garden and being able to eat it afterwards is it's just so much more different, and I hope you guys are also doing a garden because it's a lot of fun. So today's activity is a counting activity. So I have little pom-poms in a jar. I have tongs, and up on the wall I made a little caterpillar, and then underneath is the basket. So we're going to be counting by feeding him. So I have dice right here. So you can use one to start, or you can use two if you want to challenge yourself, or even three if you really want to challenge yourself. So I'll start with one dice just to demonstrate what we're doing. So I'm going to roll it. That one's easy. So how much food are we going to feed our little caterpillar guy? 1. So I want you to, I'm going to lay some of these pom-poms out on the desk here. Then you're going to grab your tongs. And you're just feeding him one, so it's in there. You see it? I'm going to go, and I am going to feed him. And you can see it dropped through the hole and it went into the basket. So let's roll another. I'm going to use 2 dice this time. Okay, let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. And then how many's on this one? 1, 2. So we're going to do 5 plus 2. So if you need to, you can count the dots again. Or if you know, so you have 5 here, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to feed Mr. Caterpillar 7 pieces of food. So let's watch Mr. Caterpillar and we'll watch him eat. So grab, whoop. It's much easier if you have tinier tongs than these. So I'm having a hard time. There you go. I got him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So if you look in the basket, there should be 7 little fuzzies. So you can take them out and we can make sure we have 7. We fed him 7. So I'm going to put them all in my hand and we're going to make sure we have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we fed him 7 little fuzzies. So now I'm gonna really challenge myself, and you guys can do it too. I'm gonna use 3 dice. Shake them really good. All right, ready? So we have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on this dice, on this little die, and then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4, another 4, and then this one has 2. 1, 2. So if you need to, like I said, you can count individually all the dots, or if you know that 4 plus 4 is 8, so you have 8 here, 8, 9, 10. So you're going to grab the tongs again, bring the warm fuzzies over here, and start grabbing them. This is really good for your fine motor strength, which is pre-writing skill. So you need to have a strong grip to be able to hold a pencil. So this is a great start to get you there. So grab it, and we're going to feed Mr. Caterpillar 10 of fuzzies. 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 in there right now. 5. We're halfway there. 6. Whoop, lost that one. 6. 7. 8. 9. Otis. And 10. Looks like Mr. Otis wants to eat Mr. Caterpillar. But good thing we already fed him 10 pieces. Everyone say hello, Otis. And there is our counting activity. So super simple. If you want to make it really easy, just use 1 dice. You can use 2 or 3. So super simple. You need a basket. You can make a little caterpillar, or you can just use a toilet paper roll, but I wanted to make a little caterpillar so we could feed him. And then make sure you check once you feed him with the tongs. Make sure you count all your pieces to see if you have the correct amount. So thank you for joining me for the first activity where we did some yoga to calm down, and then we read a book and did this fun counting activity, and I will see you tomorrow for Cooking Friday.